Qiscus currently provides a chatbot integration tool called Qiscus Robolabs, a no-code chatbot creator where businesses can create their own chatbot seamlessly. Without any knowledge of coding, you can easily use ready-made templates in an Excel format that can be customized to your needs, also known as a bot template. Here's how to use the bot template in Excel format with Qiscus Robolabs. First, log into your Qiscus omnichannel chat account. Then, select the Robolabs menu. On the Manage Project page, select Project Bot. You will then arrive at the bot information page. Select the bot template menu. Then, select an available theme. In the bot template FAQ, you will see a description of the template as well as the display results from the bot template. To download the bot template file, click the link provided. Then, open the Excel file. In the Excel file, there will be several columns that you will need to pay attention to. Firstly, you will need to look at intent name. Intent name is a mapping of the questions to be asked from the user to the bot. Here, you can categorize these conversations as an intent. There are two intents in the template: fallback and greetings intents. Fallback intent is a condition where the conversation from the user cannot be managed by the bot. In this fallback intent, any conversational response that the bot is not able to handle will be accompanied with the response, "Your choice is not on the menu." Type hello to return to the main menu. The greetings intent, on the other hand, is the condition when the bot greets a customer for the first time. In this template, if the user types the word hello, hi, or greetings, the bot will reply according to the type of greetings intent. Input. This is input from the user in the intent. In the greetings intent, it will give a response when the user types hello, hi, or greetings. If you want to add another input to the intent, you can simply add a line below it. Response. Response is the bot's response to the intent. For example, if the user says hello, the sentence will enter the intent greetings and the bot will respond according to the type of intent greeting. You can also customize it accordingly. Parents. This is a function where the intent has a parent of a particular intent. In the omnichannel chat intent, there is a greetings intent parent. This means that every user who enters the omnichannel chat menu, the user must first pass the greetings menu before entering the omnichannel chat menu. Handover agent. If the intent will be handed over to a specific agent, you can fill in the agent's name in the handover agent field. Simply write down the division in your omnichannel account. Is fallback. The isFallback function works to find out if the intent is a fallback or not. If the intent is a fallback, then the isFallback column is assigned a value of true. Otherwise, it will be assigned a value of false. After making changes to the bot template as needed, save the Excel file. The next step is to upload the file to Robolabs. There are two template upload mechanisms found in Robolabs. First, replace. Replace replaces the flow bot in the project bot with the template to be uploaded. Second, append. Append adds flow without removing existing flow bot. Then, select your bot template file. After that, click the Save Change button to process the bot template. You can check the results of the bot template on the intent menu. Congratulations! The bot template that you uploaded is now implemented in your bot project.